Okay, so now we're going to do June 2018 question 2. It says, an atom consists of 3 types of particles, and they give you what they are: protons, neutrons, and electrons. So complete the following table to show the charge of each particle. So from chemistry class, you would know that the proton is positive, the electron is negative, and the neutron has no charge. Then it says, for the element radon, determine the number of each of the 3 particles referred to in A1. So the proton number will be the same as the atomic number, so you put 88. The electron count is the same as the atomic number as well in neutral atoms, so you just put back 88 again. But the difference is neutrons. So all you have to do for that, where it's 4 marks, you get 1 and 2, and you can get 2 marks for your calculations here. So to find out the number of protons, to find out the number of neutrons, remember the mass number is equal to the number of protons plus the number of neutrons, right? So for you to figure that out now, you just said 226 minus 88 to give you 138. Okay? Then it says, state one similarity and one difference between the isotopes of an element. So the similarity is that they have the same amount of protons. The difference is that they have different amount of neutrons. So if you take physics, you should take chemistry as well, because there is a section in the physics syllabus which focuses heavily on chemistry in physics. So you should take on chemistry. Then it says, define the term half-life. Half-life is the amount of time taken for half of a radioactive substance to decay. Okay? So you're right. It is the amount of time taken for half of a radioactive substance to decay. Then the question asks, it said, the element thorium has a half-life of 24 days and undergoes beta decay. Calculate the time it would take for 10 grams of thorium to decay to 1.25 grams. So that is half of some number in between there. So again, the half-life is the amount of time taken for half of the radioactive sample substance to decay. So this is saying that every 24 days, the thorium would break down by half the amount. So we start off with 10 grams. That's what they give us here. And reach to 125 grams after breaking over. So half of 10 will be 5 grams. So that's the first breakdown. Half of 5 grams will be 2.5 grams. And half of 2.5 grams will be 1.25 grams. Now, each of these, each arrow would represent each time it broke down into half. So it broke down 3 times. So it has 3 half-lives, which is going to be confusing. Can you be like, oh, multiple 3 half-lives? Anyway, So this is just saying that every 24 days, it breaks down. So you have 24 days plus, and then you're going from here again to another 24 days, and you're going from here again to another 24 days. So the time taken will be 3 times 24 days, because it broke down 3 times. It broke down 1, 2, 3 times to get to 1.25. So 3 times 24 will give us 72 days. Okay, so the arrows represent the amount of times it broke down, and it indicates that it went through 3 half-lives, meaning that it broke down 3 times. So if it broke down 3 times and it take 24 days to break down, then it will be 3 times 24. So every 24 days it broke down. Good. So 72 days. Okay, so this is the end of question. This is question 2. Right, so this is the end of question 2. I hope this gives you some peace. All right, that's my answer. Hope this helps.